Hello guys. Welcome to my video. Today, I will be showing you how to download Visual Studio Code alias text editor in your Windows machine. Open any browser on your Windows laptop and search for VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Open the first link. Here, you will see number of file formats that are suitable for various operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. We are downloading VS Code for Windows operating system. Click on Windows Download button. A dialog box appears. Select the location where you want to install your VS Code and wait for the download to complete. It may take some time to download depending upon your internet speed. Open the downloaded file on your browser and click on Yes option. Visual Studio Code Setup menu appears. Click on the Accept button and click on the Next button. Select the place where you want to install your VS Code and click on the Next button. Click on the Next button. You can create a desktop icon by clicking on the Create a Desktop Icon checkbox. Finally, click on Install and just relax. Click on the Finish button. Thank you so much for watching.